Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, the price action, what is it telling us, and we'll identify the important key levels as for both bullish and bearish plays based off of what the price action is telling us. Because as you know, if you have been seeing my videos, that on Tesla, overall structure on Tesla lately has been bearish, right? And I'll be using my tools throughout the video as usual. So you can see that rebound that we got, guys, that was just a rebound, all right? So lately, down from that 330 area, 326, we got that rebound. But as I have been saying since thereafter, guys, it's just a rebound. And for this very reason, you can see, as I just showed you, we are still in the bearish structure over here. And today we have just a continuation and bearish structure, overall one taking the precedence. We'll get to the lower time frame in just a second. That is all the possibilities of turning bullish is lost. We'll get to that in just a second, but what I want to take you over is the weekly interval as well. Now, weekly interval shouldn't be taken very lightly, or it shouldn't ever be taken lightly. It's very important. And so structure on this turned bearish 3 weeks ago almost, right over here. And so we broke the structure that we were bullish on Tesla from right at the level of $178. From there, all the way we made the move to 488. Again, my tools helps you understand all these price action, the structure, full clarity. If you need access to these tools, links are in the description of this video. And also if you're interested in the 50 plus stocks coverage, check out the details also in the description of this video. Now, here, what do we make out of it though, right? So weekly interval bearish. Overall structure on the daily interval remains bearish, as I just showed you on the daily interval as well. And as I said, that was just a rebound that we got, right? On the daily interval. Now on the hourly interval, as you can see, we have been $362 level that I have been saying that this is the ceiling in this rebound, and multiple tests resulted in a funnel collapse and a failure, right? We didn't break out above 362 area today. We didn't break out above 200 hours moving average. It's always an area, okay? It's a zone. So we continue to reject there, and thus keeping Tesla still in the overall downward structure. And then we lost, as you can see, yes, all these levels are important. And for intraday, one of the areas for today that I marked for you guys was, if we lose it, this will become an ongoing resistance. And you can already see on the day trading, we are resisting here already, right? So rebounds are still, again, rebounds are coming, that's fine. But overall structure is still negative on Tesla. There are some rebounds. Let's turn on my tool again for day trading purposes. Yes, there are some rebounds here, but most meat of the move for the day was this sell-off that we got below the cloud. Structure is red over there. And then some rebound that started to come. You can see structure turning green on my tools. Those rebounds, if you're a rebound trader, whatnot, you can still trade both sides using the tools, right? And also this another tool, right? Average range is so close to the today's range, and this also helps you to understand, okay, let's say this fall is happening, range is completed, some rebound is possible, and when the structure turns green, you can trade the rebounds as well. So you can make money on both sides. Anyways, as I said, if you need access to these tools, links are in the description of these videos. These tools works on all the intervals, all the stocks, whatever you want to do. Now, okay, so what from here, right? So the levels and areas. Well, Tesla as overall bearish, near-term levels to watch. Well, it's not going to be any bullish play until, well, the start of the, at least some comeback is possible above 355 if we get above that. If we don't close above 355 and we stay below this zone of 355 to 354, it's intraday also is already becoming in the downtrend. We have this, okay, let's turn on the tools here as well. And you can see this rebound that we got that I showed you on the daily interval as well from 326. Those were the rebounds that got to the ceiling of 362. That's what I have been saying. It did try to do some more rebounds, but then today it finally collapsed again. And so you get my point, right? We are in the negative structure across multiple time frames, right? So some comeback is possible if we get above 355 area, but then the best good play is not there on the overall structure unless we break above $362 area. If that's not happening, it's not happening, right? And yeah, we are in the downtrend, guys, right now. If anytime, let's say if we lose $348 level area, then we have a next level like 341. So technically, we are weak on Tesla, okay? That's the whole point. And only 362 and above, if we don't break further below, is only when I consider some better uptrend is tradable now. Okay, all those rebounds are done now. Those plays have completed. And now it's like we are at least in the price action again getting weak. And if we get above, as I said, 355 and 80 cents, only a little bit of a comeback is possible. It's not going to make it overall bullish. It's just a comeback and into a choppy zone. And then we'll see if we have a breakout above that 362 area eventually. But yeah, if we stay below 355 zone eventually, or even continue lower, we'll just continue lower, right? And anyhow, 358 and 58 cents is another area. That's why I'm saying it's just a comeback little bit, not like a full-on uptrend, because we have a high likelihood of forming a lower high in this area as well. And that's why I'm saying the good uptrend is only now without breaking further below if we get above 362. Otherwise, it's either just a, playing around with you, toying with you, right? It's like, oh, catch me, catch me, catch me. Oh, sorry, right? So you got my point, right? It's just going to be a little bit of a rebound, which we are seeing right now. Again, it's just even very little, like a 10, 20, 30 an hour of rebound. But anyways, good uptrend, only above $362 level, and I'm realizing I'm just repeating the same point. Come on, because it's important for me to highlight and emphasize the points which are important, right? So all right, so yeah, now guys, overall, as I said, daily interval structure remains bearish technically. If we stay below 362, we have again possibility of a retest of 326, and then we'll see if we break that. Then the next, where I would be interested to pick up Tesla, will be 275. If we get down there, I mean, you may think like, wow, I sound so excited that Tesla is falling. Yeah, why am I excited that Tesla is falling? Because I made all these profits, sold at $480 area, made a lot of money, and now I want to make more money, but I want to pick it up at a. But what I'm saying is that for me to really enjoy buying Tesla again would be at 275. I would love to pick Tesla there, some position if it gets there, and we'll see what it does. But that's all what I wanted to provide as things to focus on Tesla in the near term. And even on the weekly interval right now, as I showed you, we are still negative. So let's see what Tesla gives us, but that's all what I have for you guys in this video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below if you want to have access to the trading tools and also 50 plus stocks coverage, guys. Some of the ones, like if I really quickly show you Baba, I mean, there's just one that I'm showing you. There are a lot of examples, right? 50 plus stocks coverage that I do. Baba, I started talking with the members at $83. And look at this bullish move that we got on this. How high have we gotten on this since the time I started talking with the members? 72%. Come on. It's just one of the examples, right? And also, my tools will help you to know. Let's turn them on. Look at it on Baba. This is where structure 83 turned bullish, right down there. Wow, the run up is so high that I have to, scroll the screen here. So look at it, 83 turned bullish, and look at this move. Look at this move. Look at, if you have access to my tools, you know all these things, right? You can do on any stock of your choice. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.